the Retain, Engage and Profit Marketing Program for small legal practices. Hi, I'm Colin Ritchie of Ritchie Business Solutions. I'm a chartered accountant who works exclusively with small law firms to help them to unlock the profit that they deserve. Thank you for joining me on this short video where I'll explain how this program can benefit your practice. I'll talk about strategies that have personally worked for me in my own practice and I know will work for you in yours. In developing this program, I've collaborated with Roy West, a Sydney-based 20-year marketing veteran, to combine the latest in marketing knowledge with my understanding of professional practice. Why the focus on existing clients? This program is specifically targeted at helping you build your relationship with your existing clients and referrers. By doing this, you'll generate more work from those clients, get more referrals from those clients and referrers, and make your marketing investment much more effective. Let me explain why our focus in this program is on your existing clients. Our research shows that over 85% of businesses never fully develop the relationship with their clients. In addition to that, over and over, research shows that it's up to 6 times cheaper to generate additional work from the clients you already have than to find a new client. In summary, it's just easier to work with people who know, like and trust you than to try and develop new relationships. Practices that fail to get this right will be forever chasing new clients, which can be expensive and quite frankly frustrating, which means that the true return on your marketing dollar can be extremely low. Once you've built a solid foundation with your existing clients, then for those that want to or need to, you can build on this foundation to attract new clients. Every practice in this program will have the capacity for at least 2 more billable hours per week. Let me explain what that could mean for your practice. As an example, at a charge rate of say $400 per hour over a 44-week working year, our plan would be to help you find as a minimum an extra $35,000 of chargeable work. In fact, our guarantee is that if at the end of the initial program you don't believe that this marketing program will generate your practice at least 2 billable hours per week over the next year, then we will refund your original investment. But wait, there's more. We believe that an additional benefit of this program will be a reduction in your client attrition level. Attrition is when clients leave, and usually without notice. While clients leave for many reasons, the majority of clients, in fact a whopping 68% who leave any business, do so due to perceived indifference. This is where the client believes that you just don't care enough. Now, whether this is true or not, it will result in clients leaving. All businesses have a client attrition level, which averages somewhere around 6 to 9%. We believe that for lawyers that this figure is probably lower than that. By engaging in a systematic way with your existing clients, this program is designed to significantly reduce this occurrence. Let me explain this client attrition with an example. Let's say you have a law firm with 1,000 clients and say it had an attrition level of just 3% per annum. If the average client was worth say 2 billable hours per year, then this could translate to a loss of $24,000 in fees each year. Now, while we can't promise to eliminate client attrition, I think it is reasonable that by engaging better with your clients, you could reduce it. A halving of this rate would represent a saving of $12,000 per annum. If we now total the extra work from existing clients of $35,000 from before and the reduction in client attrition of say $12,000, that's half of what we demonstrated previously, you would be looking at a total benefit of this program in this example of at least $47,000 per annum. So what would it be in your practice? What difference would this make to you? Would it, for instance, help reduce debt, maybe fund your children's education, or maybe fund a well-earned holiday? So what would you pay for a program that delivered those results? Your investment in this case is $2,000 plus GST, or you can pay by 3 monthly installments of $700 plus GST. Let me explain what you get for that investment. The Retain, Engage and Profit program is a 13-week educational program specifically designed for your type of legal practice, where you'll develop a marketing process for your practice. The strategies that we'll present are already being successfully used by small professional practices just like yours. Success with the program requires discipline. As Tony Robbins, the self-development guru, said, whenever I hear someone complain about having to do something again that they've done before, I know that they're not into mastery. So just as Tony Robbins states, we want you to master a process that we know will work for your practice and will allow you to build a solid foundation to your marketing, regardless of how much you wish to grow your practice. Just like getting your university degree or training for sport, this process, though, will require the discipline of continuous effort. This program has been designed for one of your support people to be actively involved. We understand that from time to time client obligations will come first. Having another team member involved ensures you maintain your momentum. In addition, we also provide you with a free month to complete the program. How the program will work. Every Monday morning you'll receive the next webinar as a pre-recorded session. Each webinar will vary in length from 20 to around 40 minutes. We recommend that you watch that prior to taking action. With each webinar, there'll be action that your practice needs to take that will map out in a worksheet. Generally, this will take 1 to 2 hours, depending on whether you're perhaps revamping something you've done before or whether this is all new to you. You'll be in a group of non-competing, like-minded practices who all have the same objectives as you. You'll benefit from the group accountability that I'll explain in a minute. There will be a regular group coaching session for 60 minutes each week where we'll review anything you've done to date in the course. Any practice in the group can raise issues that they're having with their marketing program. While your attendance isn't compulsory, working as a group and bouncing ideas off others can be the most beneficial part of these programs. The key to this program, like anything, is to take action. For that reason, we have a monthly accountability session at the end of each month where all practices will be present to share what they've done and the results that they're getting. This is a key element to the success of the program for you. You don't want to be the only one who's not progressing. Likewise, your progress will spur on others in the group to complete their projects and start to get the results that they want. Please note that we don't share financial results in this group. We want you to succeed just as you do, and knowing that others are holding you accountable is a powerful motivator and invariably leads to more action. At the end of the 13-week program, you'll have all the information and processes you need to implement this into your business. Some practices may like to take it from there themselves, whilst others will prefer to join our ongoing legal coaching program, which gives you access to updated information, coaching support, and the accountability of the group meetings to ensure you stay on track. To benefit from the program, it is essential that your marketing process is continued as an ongoing process in your practice. Historically, clients get most benefit in years 2 and 3. In the final week of the program, we'll work with you to customize the ongoing program for your practice. We want to see you succeed with the program. With our guarantee, of course, we have a vested interest in your success. During the 13 weeks, our door is always open and we will answer all queries. This is what one of our current group members, Tony Walsh of Walsh & Associates in Coffs Harbour, had to say about the program. We just had our first group meeting of the legal marketing group and I found it really worthwhile. I'm looking forward to the rest of the program. Well, what do you think? I bet that intuitively you know this will work. I certainly do. That's why I'm prepared to guarantee it. It worked for me in my practice and I know it'll work for you. It really is the only risk-free marketing program that I know of for small law firms. If you're prepared to have a go, then so are we. Register your interest today by contacting our coaching team by either of the means shown on the screen. Let us help you to unlock the profit that you deserve.